Hello, my people. This is Kennedy Stangi, and welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more videos. But let's see how to handle this question. Prove that the limit of x as it approaches 0 of x absolute over x does not exist. Now, to prove any limit, if it exists or it does not exist, first of all, we have to know that any limit is divided into right hand limit and left hand limit. So if right hand limit equals to left hand limit, that means that limit exists. And if right hand limit is not equal to left hand limit, that limit does not exist. So we have to take right hand limit and see what we will get, and also in left hand limit. But let's start by right hand limit. And this right hand limit, when x approaches 0, it occurs when x is greater than 0, when x is greater than 0. So x is greater than 0 but not 0, so we can pick any value which is greater than 0. Let's pick positive 1. So we have limit as x approaches 0 positive 0 of x absolute over x. So let's use this one. So if we substitute 1 where x is, shall have 1 absolute over 1, which gives us 1. That is right hand limit. Let's find left hand limit. The left hand limit of x as it approaches 0 of x absolute over x occurs when x is less than, occurs when x is less than 0. So let's find, we have limit of x as it approaches negative 0, x absolute over x. Because we have used positive 1, in this side we are going to use negative 1. So let's substitute negative 1 where x is. So we shall have absolute negative 1 over negative 1. If you work out any absolute value, answer equals to positive. So that means in the numerator, we shall have positive 1 over negative 1, which gives us negative 1 as left hand limit. So you can see that right hand limit is positive 1, while left hand limit is negative 1. Automatically, right hand limit and left hand limit are not equal. So we can conclude and say that because right hand limit and left hand limit are not equal, hence limit of x as it approaches 0 of x absolute over x does not exist. That is how to prove whether a limit exists or does not exist.